Smash it. Subscribe.
Good afternoon from Aegis Armors. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to take a walk around on this beautiful 2019 Kona Blue Mustang GT. Belongs to our newest team member, Sean.
How's it going?
This is his first delve into ceramic coating, so we're going to kind of get his thoughts and see what he thinks about it. And he can tell you a little bit about his background as well. All right, so Sean, if you want to give us a little bit of your background, I know you got some detailing history.
Yeah, for sure. I worked in detailing for about 2 years or so, and I finally got this Mustang, one of my dream cars, and so we got it here. And I've always used wax and everything, and wax, works good, beats some water and all. But I'll tell you what, after 2 years of using wax and seeing the ceramic for one day on here, it's insane how different it is, and how much better it makes the paint look. And yeah, I'm just super happy with it overall.
What do you think is the biggest difference? Clarity, gloss level?
Yeah, the gloss level is just crazy. And when it was out in the sun earlier, we saw like all the flake in it. It's got a beautiful metallic in it, so it just brings that out so much more.
Awesome, awesome. We'll see if Clovis can shine some sunlight on it and kind of replicate some sun. And yeah, that is definitely got a lot of depth and three-dimensional look to it for sure.
Yeah, the car came in, it kind of looked like a dark navy blue, but now it has a lot of purple in it now. It's crazy just the difference now than what it did when it first came in.
So how much paint correction did you guys have to do on the car?
Would you say probably 10 hours, 10 or so? It wasn't too bad. 2019.
10 hours. It wasn't terrible, but from just hand washing it and stuff with just the waxes I had on there was definitely some swirls and scratches in there. So.
Well, yeah, it's not very often we get a car that comes in that's already in pretty decent shape. Usually even newer cars come in and just because of incorrect washing techniques, there's a lot of time trying to get the paint as perfect as you can before the ceramic gets laid down. All right, so after you guys did all the paint correction, polishing, you did an alcohol wipe down on the car, applied the Aegis Armors 5-year coating, all the paint, door jambs. Did you do the glass on this too?
Yeah, we put the coating on the glass, on the wheels.
Yeah, no, it was my first time ceramic coating, and he was telling me how the wheels are going to be difficult with all these, 20 spokes or whatever. It was a little difficult, but it wasn't too bad, but it came out perfect, and I love it. And also on these tires, got the Aegis Armors Black Widow tire shine. It's been on here for a week and a half, and it's still looking good. So
That's right, yeah, because you were actually buying that before you even came to work
exactly,
here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been using this for a few months now, and I absolutely love that stuff. So
Nice, nice.
good stuff right there.
I see you like it the same way I like it, the satin look.
Yeah,
I'm not real
exactly.
big on the high gloss, but I like the satin look, and it does hang on for a while even after you wash it.
100%.
So you can definitely pick up the blue and purple hues in the car for sure now with the coating on it. It's just super wet looking. Anything you want to mention on there, Clovis?
I'm really a fan of this color. It's got a lot of purple in it, a whole lot of flake.